So we are at the second spot of today, and this is what we call Container City. It's not exactly a massive container city, considering there's like maybe just like 5 containers over there, but it's pretty cool all the same. Over here to the right hand side is a stadium, and I think we're going to try and rip that as well. And that's our bus. It's going to go buy us some ice just to fill up that cooler with stuff. Yeah, and that's down. So yeah, we've got an abandoned bus. Perhaps we can rip that too. And shitloads of ants.
This is a dick measuring contest.
Keep it coming in.
Yeah.
So it's been a bit of a mad day. This place has been fun, but yeah, there have been casualties. In fact, I'm about to go rescue a casualty right now. Well, not exactly rescue. We've been trying to do power loop to inverted yaw to Matty, and I don't think anybody's succeeded. The only thing we've succeeded in doing is destroying quads. And as you can see, there's one right here. Not in a good shape.
You are slowly moving out of sight. We've been lost, calling it a night. If only you could see me now, trying to make it through it all somehow.
So this is the last spot of the day. I'm kind of hot, sweaty and clammy, but today was a blast. We were diving this building right there, and yeah, pretty good footage today. It was fun. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Peace out.
I've been high since back in the day. Back in the days. I've been on the road to a brighter day. Yeah, on a new path, yeah. Got 100 on the dash, yeah. And I might skirt through the dash, yeah. And I might skirt through the dash, yeah. They might have to see it. How these niggas gon' believe it. How these niggas shaking like a seizure.